Hi, my name's Caleb here at Vernon Chevrolet. I'm standing next to a 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss, but this is not any regular old Trail Boss. This comes with the Realtree Special Edition, comes with the camo decals, the Realtree sprayed-in bedliner, and these black assist steps that is perfect for your favorite backwoods angler or outdoorsman. On top of all that, this Trail Boss also comes with the Z71 off-road package, meaning you get a 2-inch factory lift and all-terrain tires that complements perfectly with the 5.3 V8 engine capable of towing up to 9,200 pounds. Now we're inside the 1500 Custom Trail Boss Realtree Edition, and all the fun isn't just on the outside. Here on each door, you have a custom camo inlay to further complement the outside decals. You also have this foldable middle console and seat, so you can either use it for cup holders, whatever needs you might have. Fold it up if you do need the additional space for another passenger, and you also have some nice underseat storage for whatever you might need. Now in the back, here in the full-size second row, with the seats down, you can comfortably fit 3 grown adults, or you can easily fold the seats up to comfortably fit your 4-legged friends for a safe and enjoyable drive. Come see us here at Vernon Chevrolet. We have a great selection of Silverados in different colors and trim levels, perfect for if you're trying to get lost in the backwoods, take your boat to the lake, or you need help with your small business needs. Come find your perfect Silverado today.